Hello YouTube friends. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get the latest video updates. The Kia Ceed isn't a car that's available in the US, though it has been on the market elsewhere long enough for Kia to give it a makeover. Introduced in late 2018 for the 2019 model year, the Ceed was a shooting brake version of the Kia Ceed, a platform sibling to the Kia Rio. The long-roofed model is due for its mid-cycle refresh, and our spy photographers have once again caught a test vehicle out and about. The latest images show the car still draped in camouflage, the front and rear fascias hidden under thick plastic wraps and cladding. The cladding at the rear distorts the car's shape, while the camo hides the design changes coming to the model. It appears the car will have a revised grille that's more prominent than the one on the outgoing model, which will sport a thicker surround, too. New headlights with repositioned daytime running lights will flank its new face. We expect the bumper to get a styling tweak with a revised central intake. The rear looks a bit more streamlined than what's on the current car, though it doesn't look like it will get as big of a redesign as the front. The bumper may get a tweak or two, while the taillights could receive new graphics. Inside, Kia isn't expected to change much, as this is a mid-cycle refresh, though the car's interior is starting to look dated compared to its newer competitors. Kia is keeping details about the model a secret. However, the car is expected to sport a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder with mild hybrid technology that will produce 158 horsepower, 117 kilowatts, and 186 pound-feet, 253 newton-meters of torque. The higher performance ProCeed GT is expected to have a larger 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that makes 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, and 195 pounds-to-foot, 265 newton-meters of torque. The updated ProCeed is expected to debut later this year or early next.